Sensitive information ahead. You're about to witness the future of AI voice technology. This is huge, so pay close attention. Imagine having access to one single app that lets you clone any celebrity voice or even your own, dub any video or voice in any language, record in real time, AI transcript anything, turn any text, PDF, document, and URL into speech, generate podcasts, narrate audiobooks, narrate short videos, manipulate any voice, and so much more. All from one central dashboard without relying on any API or third-party services. Need proof? Watch this. In just one click, we clone the iconic voices of Cristiano Ronaldo, Donald Trump, and Beyonce to promote our products, and our sales skyrocketed instantly. Listen to their voices for yourself.
Hey, it's Cristiano Ronaldo. I approve VoizHub AI, the world's first AI-powered all-in-one synthetic voice app.
I'm Donald Trump, and I approve VoizHub AI, an extraordinary app that gives you seamless access to a full suite of voice tools.
It's fast, legal, and absolutely mind-blowing. But we didn't stop there. We took a popular YouTube video and dubbed it into Spanish,
Acabo de recibir una invitación para el discurso de la señora Harvard este año. Es increíble.
French,
Invité à prononcer le discours de remise des diplômes à Harvard cette année.
C'est incroyable.
and Hindi
दीक्षांत समारोह में
instantly.
भाषण देने के लिए आमंत्रित किया गया है. ये अद्भुत है.
And that's just the beginning. Right inside VoizHub AI, we took a simple PDF document and turned it into a narrated audiobook and podcast all on the fly. Both were published instantly, ready to sell and ready to be heard by millions.
Welcome to Minding Your Money, a weekly podcast where we put together a financial planner.
One day, Robin gave Tinker a juicy bone to gnaw. It's good for your teeth, he said.
Incredible, right? But there's even more. Want to transcribe audio with AI or record your voice in real time? It's all just a click away. VoizHub AI truly does everything you can imagine and beyond. VoizHub AI is the world's AI-powered all-in-one native voice synthetic app that comes with AI voice cloning, AI video dubbing, AI audiobook narrator, AI podcast generator, AI voice recorder, AI transcription, AI text-to-speech, AI PDF-to-speech, AI doc-to-speech, AI URL-to-speech, AI speech-to-speech, AI chatbot scriptwriter, AI video library, built-in AI marketplace, and much more. Unlock a full suite of AI voice tools in one simple dashboard without relying on any external APIs or third-party services. VoizHub AI lets you replace dozens of overpriced apps with one robust tool. No more 11 Labs, Google WaveNet, Amazon Poly, ChatGPT, Artlist, and others. If you're tired of paying expensive monthly fees for voice manipulation apps, spending hours searching for solutions, or being limited by APIs and third-party services, VoizHub AI is built for you. And the best part? You'll save up to $6,625.86 yearly by ditching all those separate apps again. VoizHub AI is the only app that you need to boost your business 16x in 2024 and beyond. But even if you don't have a business, our members are currently banking big money offering video dubbing, voice cloning, podcast generation, audiobooks creation, and voice manipulation services to others directly through our built-in marketplace packed with millions of users. And let me just tell you this, the demand has been crazy. Just look at how much they charge for these simple tasks that you can do in less than 40 seconds with VoizHub AI. It doesn't matter what you do online, whether you have a product to sell or not, or even if you're just getting started or you already have a multi-million-dollar business. VoizHub AI will work for you. It works for freelancers, affiliate marketers, CPA marketers, e-com store owners, coaches, influencers, local businesses, service providers, book authors, and anyone looking to start a lucrative business. Hey, I'm Saeed, and on behalf of my team, I'm thrilled to introduce you to VoizHub AI, the first-to-market native synthetic voice AI app. Let me show you how easy it is to get started. Step 1, log in. Log into VoizHub AI all-in-one dashboard with one click. Step 2, choose. Select what you want to achieve with VoizHub AI. It can be cloning, dubbing, recording, or any of dozens of the groundbreaking features included in VoizHub AI. Step 3, execute. Let our never-seen-before native voice synthetic AI engine do all the work for you while you sit back and relax. Step 4, enjoy. Yep, that's it. All that takes us just 40 seconds and we generate solid results. By now, you're probably wondering, how much is this going to cost? In short, VoizHub AI is priceless. It's the first app of its kind that does everything for you, leaving one job to you: profit. I can literally charge tens of thousands of dollars for it, but I make enough money from using VoizHub AI, so I don't need to charge you that. I use it on a daily basis, so I don't see why I shouldn't give you access to it. So for a limited time only, I'm willing to give you full access to VoizHub AI for a fraction of the price. Less than the price of a cheap dinner, which is enough for me to cover the cost of the servers running VoizHub AI. But that won't last long. While VoizHub AI is impossible to saturate, our servers can only handle so many users. So sadly, I'll have to limit the number of licenses I can give. After that, I'm raising the price to $997 monthly. And trust me, that day will come very soon. So you better act quickly and grab your copy while you can. Listen, right now you have the option to change your life with just a few clicks. We created this for people exactly like you to help them finally break through. And in the unlikely event that you fail to use VoizHub AI for any reason, we insist that you send us an email. It's simple. If you don't make money, we don't want your money. Not just that, we'll send you a bunch of extra software as a gift for wasting your time. Worst case scenario, you get VoizHub AI and don't make any money. You'll still get access to other software as a bonus for trying it out. Click the button below and get instant access to VoizHub AI plus an exclusive bundle of bonuses worth over $10,000. I'll see you inside.